So let's check out this Victorinox Tinker. This is one of the knives that I just picked up at Walmart. They only wanted $11 for this knife. There's a list of all the stuff that is on it. A large blade, small blade, can opener, screwdriver, bottle opener, wire stripper, reamer, punch, sewing awl, a Phillips screwdriver, key ring, tweezers, and toothpick. So let's cut this open and have a look. When I saw it was only $11, I jumped on it because this make a great kit knife. Put it in an EDC pack or something like that. So overall, we're looking at just under 3.5 inches long. Just over 1/2 inch thick. Here's the main blade. Has a edge on it, but it's going to need some touching up. Small blade. I like to sharpen this small blade to a steeper angle or more acute angle. Keep it super sharp for small work, and then just use the main blade for the general use. On the bottom we have a Phillips. And we have an awl with the sewing eye. And at the top with the blades, we also have the bottle opener, screwdriver, and we have the can opener with a smaller screwdriver on the head. And they do say this has a wire stripper, so what I've seen, that notch right there is for wire stripping. And yeah, you wonder how that could be. I think it gets used, you put the wire in there, then you rotate the wire and raise the blade up to penetrate the insulation, and you can pull the insulation apart. Of course, there's a key ring. You have a set of tweezers. I've used these tweezers on other Swiss Army knives that I have quite a bit. They work well. And a toothpick. And I've actually used that quite a bit on other Swiss Army knives too. So all in all, that is a nice little kit knife, especially for $11 on clearance. It's really a crazy good deal. It's super light, easy to carry, and has all of the basic things that you're going to need. You can get Swiss Army knives with more features, but you got to ask yourself where you draw the line. How much do you want to carry? How big is the EDC pack? If you're going to put this in an EDC pack, then how big is that? How thick do you want that folded up pack to be? So that is a quick review of the Victorinox Tinker. It's time to go and touch up the edge on this thing so I can start carrying it a little bit or put it in my kit. Thanks for watching. I appreciate if you like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. See you later.